Have you ever had a corporate event where everyone had to take turns introducing themselves? Hello, I'm Leo from the payroll department. It's boring and stressful. Introducing a more exciting and fun icebreaker activity, UTurn. An easy-to-use application that allows you to get to know each other in a fun and interactive way. How does it work? There are 3 easy steps. 1. Scan a QR code. 2. Create a profile with a selfie and a fun fact about yourself. 3. Start your investigation with the electronic game card. Every time a participant correctly matches a fun fact with the right person, their picture appears on their card. It's like a detective-style game of bingo. The results get people moving. It builds team spirit, connections, and collaboration. In short, it's getting back to the basics. With the advent of virtual or hybrid work models, people know each other less and less. UTurn is the perfect tool to break the ice and even crush it. Since no preparation is required, UTurn can be offered anywhere, anytime to add a little excitement to your corporate event, business meeting, or social activity. And for those who are still working remotely, UTurn can be offered virtually as well. Contact us today to find out how you can benefit from UTurn, because we do serious fun.